as I have said that in the first video related to this topic, that the whatever ACE inhibitors we take, or when we take the ARBs, that is angiotensin receptor blockers, for the treatment of the hypertension, it mainly increases the receptors, right? So I'm not telling that don't take those medicines, like it will prevent you from further blockage of the heart or any kind of heart attack complications, whatever are there, they will prevent you from that. So take those medicines regularly. Along with that, follow certain extra precautions. That is my suggestion. And now moving on to what are the food habits that they have to adapt in order to stay healthy and stay immune. Okay, first of all, I would tell you all that maintain a proper diet which has proper quantity of vitamins and minerals. Okay, and second thing is that stop consuming the fried foods, or limit it. Okay, monthly once you eat, that's fine, but limit consumption of the foods that are fried. Okay, fried food should be avoided. And main thing is that you have to prefer the low glycemic foods. I will give you a chart, okay, in that it is written which is high glycemic, low glycemic, medium glycemic foods. Okay, so that you can refer it and maintain your diet, whatever regular diet. Okay, and next is that you have to prefer the lean proteins. Lean proteins is like fish, egg, or any kind of dairy items after fully cooked. Okay, fish you have to not eat it like that, fully cook it and then eat it. Okay, and limit the consumption of the food that are rich in sugar, carbohydrates and fats. And as well as you have to take care that you eat your food in proper interval of time. Okay, do not delay your food time, or do not eat too early, so that your glycemic control will be lost, right? So maintain it properly. And next thing is that I will be showing you the chart, so that refer that chart, see which food belongs to which glycemic category, and then balance your diet and maintain your sugar levels.
As you can see in this chart, there is low glycemic index, medium glycemic index and high glycemic index. In case of low glycemic index, the value, if it is below 55 or up to 55, then it is low glycemic index. So I have made a list of fruits, vegetables and certain other foods along with it. So low glycemic index fruits mainly includes apple, strawberry, grapefruit, oranges, grapes, as well as banana, cherries, kiwi fruit, pears. So these all comes under the low glycemic index. As well as medium glycemic index mainly includes the mango and pineapples. High glycemic index, if the value is 70 and above, then you can consider it, and hence dates as well as watermelon are example for it. Then when we see the glycemic index of the vegetables, the low glycemic index mainly are green peas, cabbages, broccoli, tomato, cucumber, cauliflower, garlic and onions come under it. In case of middle glycemic index food mainly includes the boiled potatoes, as well as high glycemic index food are the mashed potatoes. If you see the glycemic index of the dairy products here, low glycemic index, all the yogurts, different types what I have written comes under it, as well as the milk products, as well as custard and egg also belongs to this category. The medium glycemic food mainly includes ice cream. There is no high glycemic foods in the dairy products which I can include here. So glycemic food index for other items, mainly you can go through it and try to maintain your diet by seeing the glycemic index.
If all these things if you follow, then you have to not get scared of anything, and hence you can stay healthy. Thanks for watching the video, and please do not forget to like, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.